What's up, pretty gang? It's your favorite nail tech Peaches back with another video.
The greatest nail tech in the universe.
Thank you. And today's video is gonna be a filing and shaping video. Now y'all, I have a headache. I'm not really feeling the best of the best, so I am using this footage that I found of me filing these nails, and I'm gonna go ahead and repurpose it so you guys can just have something to watch for tonight. Now this is purely application. I do have a milk bath video on my channel already, so check that out if you're interested in this technique. Before we get into it, let's go ahead and do our subscriber shout out. The subscriber is Nailed by Jazz, subscribed since March 16th. Y'all already know, turn on your notifications and subscribe, because if your notifications is off, how the hell you gonna know when I'm on? Okay, so let me just tell you guys, I'm not feeling the best. I want something for you guys to watch, so this is gonna be what we're gonna watch for tonight. Okay, it is a short video. As of right now, we got about 5 minutes left, and I really just want you guys to be able to see me work, and I really just want to kind of explain the thoughts that go on in my head as I'm doing this process. So for this particular client, right, she's one of my regulars. Her shape, like, I don't ever have problems with getting her nails to be nice and crisp or anything like that, but this particular set was a milk bath set, so I really wanted to make sure that the shape was as nice as the design. Because I'll be honest with you guys, okay, there are times when you might do a design that you really like, but if the shape is not there, you're going to be disappointed and it's not going to hit the same. Okay, so what I want you guys to take away from this video, if it's nothing else, learn to get in them sidewalls. Okay, you see how I'm using my file all different types of ways? Learn how to use that file, get up into them sidewalls. Okay, see this? Because if you don't shape in there, the shape is going to be off. Okay, see all the different ways I'm using my file. I'm more of a hand filer. I do all my shaping with the hand file. I do not use my e-file for anything more than like cleaning up the cuticle areas, you know, sealing the cuticles and enhancing my C-curve, things like that. Everything else I do with my hand file. It's important to know what your file can and can't do for you, because that is going to be how you learn to enhance your shape. Okay, you got to use your eyes, line your file up as needed, okay, and go ahead and do the damn thing. I know there's a lot of YouTubers that tell you guys, oh, hold your file this way or hold your file that way. No, you need to get comfortable with how you need to hold your file. Can't nobody tell you how to hold your file except for you, okay? There's all different type of techniques out there that you can go ahead and try, but at the end of the day, it needs to be what fits best for you and your routine, okay? Like I said, the biggest piece of advice that I can give to you, no matter what, this don't even matter how you hold your file, but just get into them sidewalls, because basically what that is doing is making sure the shape is nice and even and straight through and through. You need to shape all the way up into the cuticle area, because if you do not, you are going to have bulkiness, and that is the biggest mistake to shaping, that people forget to shape up higher into. See this? Look how high up I'm shaping into. I'm not hurting nobody, right? I'm holding her fingers nice and strong. Don't be scared to hold these clients, okay? They're not gonna crumble, they're not gonna cry, they're not gonna complain, all right? Hold on to them, because when you don't hold on to your clients, what's gonna happen is their fingers is gonna be flopping around. You're not gonna have the needed like resistance. You need to like have a certain amount of like stability and resistance against your file to be able to get the type of look that you want. All right, so figure out which way you need to be able to work your file, hold your file, so that way as you're shaping, you get more comfortable, more confident. You already know exactly how things are gonna go, and at this point it's gonna just be ingrained in you how to move. Now, different nail types and different nail beds are going to require different techniques upon, you know, shaping and filing, which is why I'm telling you guys, don't just look for someone else's filing routine and like, oh wow, I'm gonna do that because it's gonna work, because like I said, that person may not even hold the file the same as you. So doing everything the same way as them may not even produce those type of results. All right, so like I said, I do apologize that this video is so short. I have a headache really bad. I'm not feeling it tonight, but I do want to give you guys some content and you know, show my appreciation that you guys are still sticking with me. Y'all are still here, y'all are still subscribing. I appreciate you guys. All right, I am gonna have a better video tomorrow, I don't know exactly what it's gonna be. We'll get there when we get there. But I did want to provide you guys with some content today. Just a little, you know what I'm saying? Like, just I know I just said what I was gonna say, what's going through my head as I'm doing this, and it kind of didn't stay that way, and it turned into something else, like, you know. But either way, I just want to be able to help y'all. I know shaping is not the easiest thing, and I just want to just let y'all know, like, just don't be scared, okay? Don't be scared to really do what you gotta do to get in there. All right, so this is the final result of me shaping. Super duper nice and crisp, and just this length on her is just, I love it. So cute. And of course, this is the final result. Once again, I hope you guys enjoyed this short video. Please don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe, and of course I will see you guys in the next one.